What up, chat? Yo, what up, Zay? Let me see if you, I'm trying to see if your audio is in the stream. I think it is. Let me see. Is it? Bro, it's still in the range. We are still in the range.
Yeah, bro. Did I told you? Hold on. Yeah, I found the account last night, bro.
What account?
Just nothing was happening.
What account?
The one I've been doing the streaming for the one prop firm. I passed 3, failed that one. It's just because I had to rebuild, bro. I hate rebuilds because I did not have to rush like I did. And so
Oh, you pushed the risk. Range trading coming. Yeah. What up, MBA?
$27 away.
You were 57 away?
277.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think that's why I hate the thing.
Session proof, what up, MBA? Session proof. Like the streamer, you're a sausage? That's crazy. What up, Mo? I didn't see what you said. You retracted the message, but what up, bro? Abigail, what up? D-Trades, what up? Zachy, what up? We got Zay on stream with us. You guys can hear him, right? That's just Zay Gilly. Can you guys hear him or not? Yeah? Alright, cool. Does it sound low or does it sound like you can hear him like loud? Like how's the audio? What up, eyesight? Chad, this is dog water every single day. This is actual dog water. You just gotta be patient here. I'm not gonna force trades. Unfortunately, it's not gonna make for as entertaining of streams, but that's what's the reality of trading, is you're just gonna trade less through bad markets. This would obviously be like a range day for me where I'd maybe try to play a reversal off lows or something, but I'm not in a rush to put any risk on a day like today. Honestly, just in general, we've been taking way less trades and taking way more break evens because the markets are just bad. Most message was me. I was on the wrong account. Okay. Yo, chat. That other dude that won this. What's it called? The other dude that won the account 2 days ago tried gaslighting me, saying he didn't. The dude that won the account on like last Friday or Thursday entered with like 6 accounts into the giveaway and then tried gaslighting me as if he didn't own like every single account. So yeah, that was crazy. Bro thinks I'm dumb. You tried gaslighting the shit out of me. Chat, if you do that, you can't win the giveaway. Like I'm gonna be honest, I'm a nice guy. I won't insta ban you. I probably shouldn't even be throwing that disclaimer out there, but I will give you a warning, and if you do it again, I'm banning you. So and here's the important thing: if you do that, you're not winning the giveaway. Like if I notice that, I will check. If you have 2 accounts in or enter on multiple accounts and you win, you're not winning the giveaway. You're forfeiting it. I was gonna let him stay and just give him a slap on the wrist, kind of like, hey, don't do that again. And he tried to gaslight me and deny it. So I was like, all right, you're banned. All right, let's see. I mean, what are you seeing right now, Nis? Obviously, we both see range on the 4-hour.
I'm still charting right now, so I'm not too exactly sure.
Yeah, let me walk through it too. Does he sound quiet, chat, or is he good? I mean, I still am looking for that respect the previous week low, but obviously that can change if we don't respect. Like I'm anticipating this range low to hold 4-hour and previous week low to hold, and then us go up towards internal or external buy side on the weekly. But right now it's just a consolidation range. I anticipate these lows to hold personally. I could be wrong. If these lows get ran, then we're probably failing that weekly gap, and then it's the value failure, and we're looking for downside even on the higher time frame. So it really just depends.
Just looks disgusting.
Yeah, it looks nasty. It's interesting how many lows are being generated right here to the downside, though. I don't really like that. But maybe they'll leave them for later. Like the higher time frame makes me want upside. The lower time frame is just range. This is nasty, man. Sounds like his head is in a bucket. What does that even mean?
It's not better now. I just put a headset.
Chad, does it sound better? Sounds like an alright black dude. Oh, what does that even mean? Say, what's your comment on that? You have no comment?
I don't know. Comment.
I don't know why that made me laugh so much. Yo.
I was MBA. I was up to like 4:30 in the morning, so that's why I'm kind of a little slow in the charts this morning.
Nah, you're good. I'm here late too. You gotta fix that sleep. Why are you up so late?
That account.
Cause what?
That account.
You're trading London, bro?
Yes.
Yeah.
I just get a certain type of way. Like that's why I hate rebuilds that feel rushed. I was just trying to. I was like, yo. I was like, I either pass this or I fail it. I failed it. Look at that London action. It's horrible.
All this action's horrible. We might as well go look at another asset, bro.
Yeah, her gold's pretty good.
I actually wouldn't mind like just running the same edge on a different instrument in a period like this where every day is just trash, dude. Like it really wouldn't matter. Just maybe run gold or.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can turn your voice up. Is he too low, chat, or what? Or does it sound fine? Because we're just in a Discord chat. Nah, he's fine. Alright. Bro said pause. You don't need to pause that, bro. No one got the wrong idea from you saying he's fine until you said pause. MBA is funny, man. Weekly gap. I'm looking at gold and silver. We're down bad.
I think overall we might hit higher.
Yeah, I would prefer that as well.
We got some highs above that. Nice to hit.
Gold and silver about to come off a daily gap could be nice. He said actually Zay, you gotta be a bit louder. Is there a way to turn your mic up a little or not?
I can move it. I can just speak louder.
See if you can turn the inputs. Is there an input dial on your mouse?
Let me check it real quick. Just wiping my glasses.
Are you on like a headset mic or are you on like a what type of mic?
Headset. Headset mic. Let's see here.
On demo until next month, that's valid, honestly. At this point, just mess around with evals for this month because this is trash. Stop roasting him. We're not roasting him. Said you sound like a mouse in a box.
Is this better?
What up, Lambo? I think it's the same. Let me see if I can turn it up on my end.
Same microphone volume, just all the way up.
That's a little bit better. Oh, I can turn up user volume. Wait, I got it. Now talk.
Hello?
Chat, is that better? That should be better.
Okay.
I heard static when Zay just spoke. I don't know. It should be way better now. I think I had your user volume down. That's actually an issue on my end. We were probably on a game or something. I had to turn it down. Refresh the stream, should be good. Alright, what's up with indices, man? I like upside. We got equal highs on ES, but we're just in an unforgiving range.
I see first range is 70 or first draw off 701.25. Then it's the first one I have right there.
701 on NASDAQ or yes? On ES.
ES.
What's 701? I see 698 at 1 hour high. Are you on?
I just
What's 701?
it's like 5-minute relative equal highs, and then that's also Asia or AM high from the 25th. So that's just the area I have marked right now.
Yeah, I like that. I like 698.
698.
698 is my London high, or whatever settings I
nice.
have on.
Nice.
That's too loud, I think, bro.
Now
How is that louder than me? I honestly need to fix my mic settings. I have a different mic, but I don't want to use it because it's like one of those ones that goes on the stand and then you have to lean down and talk into it all the time. I don't want to do that.
I know what you mean.
Who is Zay? Zay's my best friend. He's Zay Gilly in the chat. He's a mod. Every time he speaks, it sounds staticky and distorted. Does it sound like that for everyone? I'm gonna rejoin the call. Why does this sound like that? You bullish or bearish today? I'm bullish, but I don't really like price at all. Let me see if I can fix this thing. I don't know why it sounds like that. That's why Zachy said ear. Bruh. Wait, I have an idea. So Sally away. Good push. London draw is about to get hit. I don't want to touch this right now. Didn't tag any gaps. Don't look back in anger. That could be a short back down once we get a good buy side sweep. Yeah, bro, so static. All right, let me see what I could do. That's not what we want. Alright, wait, Niz, talk now?
Hello?
Chat, is that better? Zay sounds better. Let's go. Nice. Alright, cool. Yeah, you guys just gotta tell me when things like that are... Like, if something sounds bad and it's ruining the stream, just tell me, I'll fix it. Because sometimes I can't hear it. We did? Yeah, you're right. He told me he was low, not that he was staticky. He told me he was staticky later. but we good. Buy side is about to be hit London high at 9-8 draw, and then we're just trading in a 4-hour range. So by you.
Yeah. Price is so weird, man.
Previous day highs up there, but it's like how much conviction. I feel like we can be bearish. We'll see. We could sweep a range high and then come down again. This is a pretty tight range. I like these equal highs over here on the 4-hour, but I don't know if we're gonna reach for them right now. We just hit London high, so let's see if this sweeps back down. That's Asia on NASDAQ, London on ES for me.
Maybe a retracement back to, I don't know, 672 area to 674 area, I'm thinking, on SPX. But, see.
Yeah, this might retrace her down. Am I hearing new music? Yeah, I changed the playlist a little bit. I took the curse song out. Some people are gonna love that, some people are gonna hate it. I did remove the lore. I can add it back in if we need it. Is that important? That's a decent range high that we hit on. Yes. Do I really want to short this flip just off that flip back down? No, it's kind of sus just playing this high. I still think we could see more high, more upside. Sunset away. I had a feeling ES 4-hour relative equal highs will draw. Yeah, I like that draw too. If we can sustain over this buy side. It's just such pure barcode chat. We did sweep out range highs if we tried to play take your first shot. We did sweep out range highs. We need like Asia to play that, sure.
Just need gaps, man.
And this might just be a retracement. Yeah, this looks weaker. I might jab a range model and give this a go. Just see how this plays. If it pops right back up, then we'll play longs towards the equal highs. Shit's frozen. If this absolutely blasts to stop, then we're just gonna play longs towards equal highs. This is lower probability. I'm trying to play reversal model range protocol. So if this just absolutely blasts to stop, chat, we'll play longs to those equal highs. But this might come down. We swept out London, we swept out Asia, and we swept out a 1 hour range external. It's gotta hold this gap. I hate range markets, man. It's gotta hold this SIBI right here. If it flips us back up, then longs towards equal highs, I think, are the play. ICT is easier in ranging markets. I think it's harder. I think in trend markets, ICT is easy as F to trade. I've always been a trend trader though. We played that flip and now we're just popping. I think we closed, yeah, we closed over that too, so. This looks cooked as fuck. If this goes up, then equal highs, draw. Maybe play continuation towards that. Otherwise, it's just going to be one of those shit days. We closed over that 5-minute gap, then immediately bought back up. Looks like it'll be a -1. Yeah, it's respecting the 5-minute BISI. It closed over on the 1, which was confirmation, but I wanted to try and play a sell back down into the range because it's just pure chop right now. Basically just trying to play a reversal model in the range. But it looks cooked. If we trade higher, then I'd like to see the equal highs go. Previous day high could be draw, and then we play longs. But after this, I'd only have one more jab. Unless I take a break even or something. Yeah, this is GG's. Let's see what we can get then. Yeah, that was a quick jab out, chat. I'll give myself one more R. If this runs higher, then it's equal highs. What a nice sequence. Just absolute perfect V shape down, and then it just goes right back up. 4-hour equal highs would be draw if we hold over, then we can play longs. But we'll see. Watch this just fucking chop it for another 30 minutes. I'd rather see this trend up. Gold's kind of moving.
Never checked out gold in a minute. Not a minute, but really like giving a thought. TC. NQ's pretty strong.
NQ's leading. We get long to those equal highs up there. Sequence off the 5 was actually nice.
We hit the first area.
Yeah, that's 9-8 and 701. So there's both those buy side troughs.
It's like price consolidates. And then it runs just whatever has to go to next without.
I want to see equal highs now. Yeah, it looks like NQ's leading for higher, so I'd rather long NQ. I need to see some type of gap to trade off of. Bro, these markets are dog shit. It's actually
Been like that, man.
like
So
this
long.
1 hour looks insane.
What's that?
Yeah, this is stalling at that high. That'd be a big retrace back down. Let's see. We just left on a gap earlier.
It's interesting.
Yeah, the 1 hour does look good to the highs. That's a deep retrace for the 15. I don't know if we'll get it or not. This is probably going to be another tricky day. Price doesn't stop.
One trade yesterday. After that trade, it was break even. I just got off for the rest of the day.
I've taken like 5 or 6 break evens this month. Take it. Nothing falls through.
I was telling somebody last night. I said, I know where Price. I can see where Price wants to draw to. The problem is, it's just too close to even get in. 'Cause we're just in range.
For me, it's like I know where price wants to go generally, but it just doesn't deliver there good. So it'll chop around, it'll stall for like 2 hours, then finally get there after taking me out or break even.
That is very true.
I still like those ES equal highs if we can hold over this.
100%. I think Price still hits higher from here. Problem is, I just won't get an entry. Fortunately, probably. I do think Price hits higher still from this point.
I think so too. Oh, sad it could. Yeah, that 4 hour close on NASDAQ, the 4 hour and 1 hour closes look pretty bullish. Close way over that some high.
Let's see if it'll make anything potentially. Potentially, I mean, oh, this is gonna be. Oh, never mind. It's probably not gonna play it necessarily. Finally closed above this 1 hour for value gap. All right. No, ES is showing more strength.
29,400. I like previous day high and the way that we closed over this. It's just a matter of if we can get into continuation.
Must be a retracement.
Yeah, this looks like it's better retrace. What a tough last 2 months.
Very tough.
Everyone I follow is struggling too right now. Everyone on X talking about tough price. All right. I mean, it's just consolidating the highs. I want to see a continuation, but it's just not going to give a sequence. MBA said, Zay, introduce yourself while we wait. I want to hear your biography.
Anything specific you want to know?
He's a rage baiter.
Yeah, last night, bro, when I was trading, I was talking to Jones, and I said, bro, I realized why I rage bait. I said, the market rage baits me. I just need to take it out on somebody. Trading last night, bro, I was really just like up to 4:30 in the morning. I was like, this is so horrible. They're like, no, that's not a reason. I'm like, I just gotta do it. I see why now.
Andrea says I'm a rage baiter.
I don't see it.
I don't see it either. That's what I'm saying.
What do you say anything specific where it's like, okay, yeah, you're rage baiting?
Not usually. Sometimes I'll like
Yo, mods,
tease her.
time out, Lambo.
Lambo. Lambo's banned.
I'm out.
Lambo, you and MNBA are about to match on there, bro. Retracement.
I never knew what that like was until I like those. I'm not sure if you say, but like those catchers. You know what I'm saying?
You wait, what?
They catch people who try to meet with younger people. I'm not gonna like say the name or anything because I'm not sure if it's
Yeah, they're called
Yeah,
EDP 5547s or whatever his number is. The
yeah. I didn't know that was like what app was exactly until I
That's not what it is it? I thought it was an app for homosexuals, like gay people.
It is, but like you're trying to meet with a 13-year-old boy who said they were 13.
There's probably EDPs
like,
on there, I'm sure, but
100% there is. That's why I always hear them trying to meet at is like they'll go on there and that's where they set up decoys. Price, bro.
retracing.
I still think higher at this moment, but we'll see.
I still like the equal. Yeah, I still like equal highs. We're probably gonna see NQ tag the 15-minute gap and then ESSMT. I don't think ES reaches that 15-minute gap down there. This is gonna SMT.
I will say no matter what at this point, unless I was a tilt. How many days we have left? I'm gonna end off green, hopefully. Hopefully.
I'm like break even right now, bro. This month is ass.
Yeah, I'm like small green. Kinda, yeah. Not that big.
I like barely trading. If I was trading a ton, I'd probably be red. Honestly, how bad price is.
No, yeah, that's true. It's been like I remember what like 3 weeks ago, I was having like 10 trades a week. Then like
I
last
know
week I
when
had like
markets are
3.
good, it's like you trade once or twice every single day.
And that's a show of growth because it's not like, oh, we're trying to put on mark trades every day. It's like, hey, I don't see anything. I'm gonna skedaddle. I gotta log in. You do this.
Chat, we're doing a duck race at the end of the stream.
Please go settings. Preference, activate.
Daily inside bar is a pain. I mean, it's just fall through on price. Like, this is just really, really genuinely hard markets. Look at the last 4 days. This whole week has been range. Told y'all we will sell today into PDL. I don't think so.
Take me a thing.
I personally don't think we will.
No, I don't think
I
so.
think this is just retracement.
Maybe this was set up for a 30-minute revive cut. Oh, waiting.
There is all of these lows, but right now it's just good
If we hold
consolidation.
If we hold below 687.50, that's where I'll like maybe I'll switch, but as if we hold below that,
We'd have to,
we're
like,
hoping
for
prices
me,
stay above.
like start to trade under these 15-minute gaps to even consider downside.
Also another thing with this market, it's like once you get the confirmation of your direction, because it's chop, it's like, oh, price is going straight deliver there anyway.
Yeah. Tough markets.
My one goal this market was do not blow my pundits and wait
Yeah,
for
for
it. Try
sure.
to have them stay for good markets.
Definitely.
I got a Blue Guardian accounts like a month and a half ago when they were 40% off, and then they had the discount if you bought 5 of them. I think
Blue
average
Guardians,
the price came.
those new accounts are fire.
They are the reserves are just like elusive flex. I think they like averaged out to $58 or something per 50K when I did that.
Damn.
Yeah,
58's
that's
crazy.
why I
What's
bought
the
it.
ROI?
Let me do that real quick.
If you're in for 58 and you can take max payout, what's the split? 10% off, so you get 90.
Yeah, it's 9,000.
So whatever max payout
like
with 90%.
31 return on investment. 31.5.
S7 said, "Wait, who is this other guy?"
It's my used to be my Asia buddy.
This is ass, bro.
I did not. I was up, but was in the chat. Apologies. I'm wrong here then. I'm wrong, I guess, but I don't.
Cam say this is pure chop so he can take another shot. I mean, it's kind of not pure chop right now. The higher time, the 1 hour and the 4 hour is, but the 5 minutes kind of not. So I can't say it. Bye guys. We'll take the PDL. Bye. What the? Bro, why are you so attached to PDL though? It's not that deep. We'll see if we go there. I like still retracing it, but if we flip over this 15-minute gap, then I'll look for sell side. Just gotta take PDL. PDL. I'm still operating under the assumption that this low down here is protected, but there is a lot of sell side low. PDLs are way down there though.
Yeah, you want that low. It's interesting.
Yeah, that would be a
There's
lot.
there's some relative equal lows on NQ if we do decide to go fully down.
I want to see this 15-minute hold. That would be crazy if we flip it.
Yeah. See if we get a 30-minute 30-minute candle. That's what I'm trying to see here. Can I? Let's see there. See here.
That might be ICT's burner account. I can't wait for better markets, man. I'm trying to like you don't have to run eval. I'd rather just push risk running eval to have way better ROI. Like if I can run like a 30x ROI account or something. I'd rather just push risk and eval pretty quick. Cause a lot of those straight to funded, the ROI sucks.
They do. You're right, they do.
So like you skip eval, yeah, but you make a lot less. And it's more upfront.
Our chart looks so beautiful.
The 1 hour actually looks disgusting.
Man.
Yeah, this is bad.
10 a.m. candle. This is either a manipulation move down or we're just distributing down right now either way, so.
Yeah, this is that 4 hour candle. This could be the low of the candle. Or this just fully flips the gap. I'd like to see it be just the low of this 4 hour candle.
So if we we close at below 767.50, then it's taking lower, but
Close
I'm
below
hoping it
what?
stays above. 7687.50.
687.
Yeah, 687.50.
What is that for you?
It's the new week opening gap area that I have marked. So that's kind of what I've been basing my trades around. Not basing, but like I avoid those areas the last couple of weeks. I realized they just chop like around that area. So if we close below there, then
Bro, look at this daily.
I'm out of here.
This daily is nasty, nasty stuff.
Hmm.
20% consistency, 5 evals for the price of 1.
Which firm are you looking at?
I don't know. That's what Michael Williamson said. What a sell. Let's see if it flips. You guys tagged the 15-minute gap now.
Imagine good market conditions in this apex deal that they keep doing.
I'm not touching Apex right now.
Not me either.
I hate intraday
I've
trailing.
heard, me too. I've heard that they put like they'll put you live after the first payout, especially with 20 accounts. Have you heard about their live program?
That's what Funded Futures family did to me. I took 1 max payout. Well, I had 5
I
accounts,
bet you
but I
like
took 1 max payout, and they're like, "Yep, live." I'm still waiting.
I was about to say, I bet you're still in the little program thing. That's like the number one complaint I've
Bro,
heard
I'm about to
about
email them again. I emailed them like 3 times. They said
it's
2 to
not
3
gonna
business
change, bro.
days. It's been like 3 weeks.
Yeah, I don't even think when you quote unquote go live with them, it's live. Like it's like another test program. So it's like, oh yeah, let's see if you can go live.
How does it? Wait. So what is? Do you know details about their live? So what is it? What do you mean?
I don't know it. I just that's like the number one complaint those I hear
Is
about.
their
Like their
live
live
program?
program just sucks.
Is
Yeah,
it
like it
another
sucks.
sim
Like it's
funded
not.
or is it live?
It's like a sim to live in a way. That's what I've heard. I
What?
never looked into the
How are you
detailed
gonna
live
call it a
stuff.
live
Yeah,
program and it's sim to live? That's literally what sim funded is for.
it's basically like, oh, let's test if you want if we could put you live or something. That's what I've
Is
heard.
that not what
I don't know.
getting moved live is? Is saying okay, you can get moved. That so doesn't make any sense.
No, yeah. That's just like I said. That's what I just heard. I haven't checked into myself. What's price? All right.
It's 1 hour, 4 hour ranges discussing stuff. If it doesn't bounce here, it's flipping this gap.
No, yeah. I think.
It already looks like it's going to.
Yeah, but I think it's already flipping the cap right now. As far as previous day low,
That's a lot.
I don't think we're taking that out. Maybe.
We probably
Maybe.
at most take out 7.6 down here on the 7.650 and then revert back to range. Or 133 on Nasdaq.
I think 670 on ES. London low.
Asia.
Definitely.
That's my Asia.
Yeah. For not London. Asia low. I think I'm tired.
Prices. Yeah, these markets are tough. I shorted the wrong highs apparently. We swept out London, then it went. This is selling. So, bro, by law is gonna be so horny if we hit PDL, dude. It's gonna be in the chat, so, bro. What I say, bro? Bro, what I say? What I say? We're gonna hit PDL. I still don't think it's the PDL, even with this crazy sell. Then we'll see about the lows. They said F that 15-minute gap though. This is oh my barcode, dude. This is crazy. Look at the 1 hour.
Price is just gonna drop from this point on. Last night I was practicing when I was passing. I passed the other 3 evals, but I was practicing like scalping on the way to draws because I was like, price isn't pulling back, so I was like scalping off like 2 minute, getting straight there. I was like, yeah, I'll never take these on all my accounts because I feel comfortable off of what I play.
Same, Zachy. This is just, it's like almost time to like wait and look at another ticker and then come back when things get cleaner. But this is just every single New York session has no opportunity. And gold looks trash too on this session. Every asset class doesn't look that good, chat. It's just a phase of price. Do you think July or August is worse?
Yes, August was worse. My July actually had trades like recently. August is like
So far this week is definitely
trades.
one of the worst I've seen.
Yeah.
I mean, we actually have done nothing the whole week. Look at Monday to now. It's 3 days of pure chop. Daily candles.
I expect it.
We've moved 58 points in 3 days.
I expect that for the rest of the August, and be honest with you. Ending off the month candle.
I might have to do the same thing and just not run funded until this cleans up.
No, yeah.
Like, I might just have to run some evals, chat. That might be the play in these bad markets. Just mess around on eval, try to get some passed, get some more reserves. Honestly, that's probably a better look than trying to run all the footage in this shop. We try to fund this the whole month. We're basically break even. Like,
I was so confused. I was like, Independence Day. I was like, I'm looking at Apex's Discord. I'm like so confused because it's showing a notification there. Like, why is it showing it from July?
Independence Day.
Yeah, I was like, we got another day. It's like, and I looked. I was like, why is it showing it
We
from
got
July?
Independence twice, bro.
I think I'm in every futures prop firm Discord that has one.
Does
Some of them don't
does
have
continuation into 7-6 work or no? That's the question.
Yes.
Or does this
I think
just
that low price
absolutely fuck everyone and bounce again without taking out those lows?
I think potentially we go down there, but I'm not sure. Like it could be flipping this 15-minute and just hit straight down from this point, but I'm just gonna wait. How are you liking the 3-minute so far?
It just feels like the 5. I mean, it just feels like the 5, but it creates a little bit more opportunity to get in. I feel like the reason I want to introduce 3-minute is for when we get really trendy markets, so I can make sure I get in.
Yeah, 3 minutes are really nice. I look back on my trades and I think 3 minutes are mine. Actually, I have a paper right here. That won't take 3 minutes. It's mixed between 3 and 5, but definitely 3-minute has been providing opportunities that 5-minute has. It flips its side.
Do you use the 3-minute as a narrative, or you just enter straight off the 3?
3 minutes. So I use 30-minute and then 3-minute off entry, 1 hour, 5-minute off entry. It's kind of the rules that I have.
This would be as R. Play to this low though. Actually, it's from that entry on the field, it's not that bad, but. Gonna come up for those. See if it retraces this 5. If it retraces this 5 and then creates a nice inversion down, I might play continuation. But that's probably the only other look I'd be willing to take. And if we jump out of that, I'm done. It'll be -2. We shorted a little bit early. EA asked me to go on their stream. You think I should do it?
They asked you to go stream from?
They asked me to just come as a guest on the stream.
Yeah, you should do it. 100%.
They said who? EA Markets. Prop firm. Dennis, you in the
see
chat?
Tradeify's new account?
Tradeify is a new account?
Not new account, new size. They have a 300K. 10K payout.
Damn.
Pretty expensive though.
Probably what, 1,000?
350. Something like that. 400, 350.
350 is not that bad. I mean,
It's not, but
what's a
Not my
150K eval? Yeah, no, that's a lot. Limited time.
probably half of that. I couldn't find where you could put a discount code in. So I think that's like full price.
Chat, what's the top 3 firms you think? I want to hear what they say. I think I know what you'll say, Zed. Actually, I don't know what your third would be. Chat, what's your top 3 firms? I feel like the top 2 are like unanimous. Like if you don't have those 2 in the top 3, then you're just trolling. But the third is up for debate. Lucid Tradeify Top Step, Lucid Tradeify TPT. Yeah, see, the third is like where it gets a little ambiguous. What's your top 3, Zay?
Lucid Tradeify. And personally, based like I wouldn't say this is top, but it's an honorable mention, and people don't really like it. My funded futures, just because
Yeah,
of how
that's what
fast
Michael just said. My funded futures is underrated, bro. Like they've
they
consistently been
just,
good.
They just switched to one-time payment, one-time fee, so they pay monthly. They switched to it like every other firm. You know who started that basically, who made it popular. Funded Next started that in the futures prop firm. Lucid made it popular. I love that, bro. I love the competition in futures prop firm because everybody's trying to do better to beat a better prop firm, and it gives us opportunity. Like for example, when it was just like Top Step and Apex, we were just stuck with like intraday trailing accounts or like you know what I mean. Like these
Yeah.
prop firms came out, gave better rules, and now we could trade like basically more freely than before. You know, Apex had the MAE rule that not a lot of people knew about.
Bro made me laugh. I was waiting for you to stop talking to tell you what he said. He said next gen Shark and Pookie Walkie is Zays. That's what he said.
Okay.
That's your top three. I don't even know what those are. I heard a Shark.
Next gen. Next gen is these. So next gen, they actually had straight to funded 50K accounts for like 140.
Really?
It's the cheapest you ever see. Yeah. Bad thing is you can't copy trade them.
What?
Not because like there's a rule against it, but like with their platform that they have it off of doesn't go on trade copy or anything else. Unfortunately.
If this flips back down hard here, this could play to the lows and be nice.
Fill that gap, then go back down.
But this is a good buy back up. So they might just troll and not take the lows. If this sells down hard with a good sequence, I might try continuation here to the lows. And if that doesn't play, I'm off.
We're just in that area. Thanks.
It's just range. Look at the 1 hour, dog. This is ass.
You have to ask yourself a question. Why do you want to put on risk right now? Is it part of your strategy? Is it not?
It would be
You know?
continuation of the sell side lows, but if it doesn't sell down here, I'm good.
I think I'm about seven more trades away from depending on what the are, 7 more trades from a payout with the firm. Hopefully on a Blaze accounts.
What firm?
Never heard of them, but is it Red Line Futures?
What the fuck is that, bro? You be using these crazy ass firms.
Because bro, the whole thing is right is like these new firms will always have the best deals. I lose like $30 on account and just get denied because I'm trade copying anyway, and I'm maxed out on Lucid and like Tradeify, or B, I spent $30 on a 50K and I got a $1,500 payout. So it's like small loss, big win if it does pay out, which it looks like they do pay out. So this was like back when they were running like a crazy deal. I just got a couple right there. But I'm not promoting them if anybody's listening. I'm really just saying, Lucid and Tradeify 100% go with them.
Yeah, max out Lucid and Tradeify first, chat. That's my best advice. If you're gonna max out any firms first, go with the OG. Top 3 Lucid Tradeify.
You get a 25K Lucid now for I think $50 or something.
I'm tempted to short this into the lows. 5-minute internal continuation of downside. We have a 15-minute gap that's forming in 5 minutes, but there's none on NQ.
Real confident in it, you know.
If we don't give a good confirmation, I won't.
Like I'm more on a sense of lower now since we're below that area I was mentioning. It's like middle of me, so I'm just avoiding, trying to just play the external ranges right now. Oh, speaking of Amazon, I gotta order some more face wash.
Speaking of Amazon, when did we speak about Amazon?
Sorry, sometimes I say things in my Taj says I do that a lot. He says, you'll say something like I'm supposed to know what you're saying. And then
yeah, speaking of Amazon, I actually need to get my face wash on Amazon. Like, bro, we were not talking about Amazon, bro.
I do that a lot. What were we talking about last night? Oh, I said I told him, I was like, you think it's too late for me to take my pills? And he was like, he's like, no. He's like, you're like 20 something. He's like, you know, people take them at like 50 and stuff. I was like, no, I mean like time wise, you think it's too late? He's like, bro, he's like, you gotta be more like descriptive of what you're talking about. Than my fault. It was like 4 o'clock in the morning. I was asking that question. Like, you think it's too late for me to take my pills?
The higher time frame is bullish with the 15-minute flip downside. I feel like we can run to these sell side lows. But this is looking choppy, so if it's gonna keep choppy, I'm just gonna sit out. It's really just internal range. Copy. These markets just don't fall through.
They don't. Oh. There's a website I'm trying to access for a prop firm I want to look at, but it blocks my internet blocks it. But if I have to go on my mobile, like take the internet off, it doesn't. I got to figure out why it keeps doing that.
Did what?
Like there's a prop firm that just came out. I just want to check out their website. When I go on, like, my internet's on. When I go check out their website, I can't get I can access it. When I go on my phone and turn off my internet, I can access it. So it's something with like my internet blocking its access to it.
I don't know.
Yeah. Unfortunately, it's weird.
Chat, you guys want to run a duck race at the end of the stream? I promised you guys yesterday I would do it today, so we'll definitely do it.
This is my time to win.
This is chop, so I don't think I'm gonna try and play anything here. Yo, if you win, we're getting rigged accusations for sure. I don't care though.
Well,
if you win, it's fair and square.
They better be ready.
Yo, chat, if he wins, it's valid. I don't want to hear
be ready for that ticket. Give me that strawberry duck.
Running now, this is straight chop. Yeah, I'm about to. It's okay, I just want to see what this does. Man, this price is tough. It might come up for the 15 minutes to be here.
Also, if anybody says anything, usually I'm looking at chat, but I've been kind of just looking around at different things, trying to figure out some stuff. So if anybody says anything, 7, my apologies.
Are we short or just a little bit too early? Wow. Give this 1 minute. What can you do, chat? What can you do?
Well, that top step count is gone, by the way. Remember I told you about the one like $49, make 3K again, get the 90-10. It's like basically there's no rules. Like
What is that,
1K
labs?
static drawdown. Yeah, the labs. It was 1K static
What do you mean
drawdown.
it's
No
gone?
consistency rule. Because it since so like for example, Tradeify is doing the same thing. Like when they do like these test accounts, they're gonna be limited time only. They're not gonna be like here forever. So like labs is the same thing. They test it around to see like, oh, do we want to keep this account or not? For example, like they've had like 250K accounts
They probably tested
and
it to
like
see
higher
how
account.
profitable it is. They probably didn't net enough
Yeah.
off of them.
That's what labs and everything is for see. Like it can incorporate anything if they're profitable. And you could have 5 accounts, right? And was that $245 investment to make 15K?
That's
Crazy.
crazy.
If
What
you
the heck?
and the thing is there was no it was a one-time fee. You don't have to worry about that. No consistency in eval or funded. No minimum days. Like so you can literally full port um get the buff or get the eval passed in like New York, go trade Asia, get the 3K, and boom, you hit a payout. It's like one of those accounts that your dream accounts ever. And static drawdown. You had 1K static drawdown. So
Blue
yeah,
Guardian's
that
been
that account
cooking,
dropped down.
bro.
I like Blue Guardian. I
There
wanna
was some controversy about some rule, like windfall rule or something,
yes,
and they
yeah.
pulled it. They pulled it. So that's W. I
I feel
just
like
saw a
as long as
tweet.
you
He just tweeted an hour ago. Effective immediately, we're removing the windfall rule. W. See, like they listen. I respect that. I like that they're doing that.
I feel like if you just trade normally, follow the rules of a prop firm, the less likely to get denied. It's like the bigger cases where it's like alpha right now what's going on. 'Cause you get denied.
Yeah, a lot of people
Not
complain
denied, but
about
like
props. They're either finessing KYC or they're just like doing weird
hedging or
things.
doing something illegal. Yeah. Like people are complaining about like losing, like they're not
How do
giving
you
you are doing
ever complain
100% doing
about losing,
something.
bro?
Yes, bro. You're doing something. I'm on their side. I hear both sides of stories, but I'm guarantee you're on that side because they have 500 million in payouts or something like that.
And who has
Half a billion.
everything to gain? Because it's not Lucid, it's the trader that's trying to get paid out. So they're gonna go on there and bash them, try to
Exactly.
bash their name to get their payout. So
Lucid was one of the first firms that just like admitted it, which everybody knew. They said, yeah, they said we profit off of people losing or something like that. They're like, but you guys also profit off of people losing. I was like, he's not wrong. He's not wrong at all.
it's a no
As
sum
we
game.
like, yeah, exactly. It's like basically like a casino in a way, you know, profit off of other people's losses.
Should retrace this 15-minute civvy.
I'm watching that right now. If we got above weekly open, then I was a little continuous bullish. But if we respect this area, then I'll
I
probably go down
still
to
think
Asia
that
low.
4-hour low that down here holds. I think it's protected. The
I think
low is 655 on ES. I think that's a protected low, but they're engineering all these lows. It's kind of sucks.
only way that I'm going to possibly enter at this point is like if we hit those equal highs above. That's pretty much it. Maybe. Even still then, I'm not sure. Just because our price is going. We're not really making this 1 hour for value gap or BPR is like the only thing that we have going right now as far as
This is one of the most disgusting 1-hour profiles I've ever seen.
well, you know what that means. Consolidation leads to a bigger move
Yeah, we should get a nice trend.
at some point. That's where the patience come in. You just gotta find it. Like
I'm curious if we're gonna
forgot
flip
what's
this
time.
weekly gap or not.
I really thought like we're gonna hit a little bit deeper. Or on the weekly, we are making a we could just making a weekly like a bearish weekly for value gap as well. Just basing out. That can also be an option. I don't know. Find out. Daytradify release futures active promotions. %40 off. Code patiently, Tradify.
X.
And if you buy in a bundle, extra 5% off. So it's 45% off accounts if you buy in like a 5 bundle. You do plan like a massive buy.
Bro, what are you talking about, NBA? Let me hear it.
What about? This song makes me feel
Every time he says that, the song ends. Yo, this is kind of a trippy song. Sounds like something Chance the Rapper would make a song to.
Like I'll hear this in a Miles Morales song. Hey, hey. Nice little intro.
It's not this song, bro.
All right, now we get a close above 694 area.
Yeah, I turned it up for a second there. Yo, the fact that they didn't take those lows. Insane. This is buying back up. We're gonna flip back
We're
over
hitting the
to
previous day low.
Proof stay low. Told you proof stay low. Bro, it would have been so lit if it hit previous day low.
I know.
This is straight range.
Go back
dude.
in here. That low is crazy. If anything, I think Asia low. Not crazy. Anything happened in the market, but I really just see it at the lowest Asia low. Other than that, I don't think we hit there. I think we're building up a whole bunch of lows, to be honest. There's people out here that are trading this 1 minute, just going crazy. I think about that sometimes. Like this is their price action right now. This is what they love, and they're killing it.
They just love chop. It's crazy.
Yeah, the range. They be trading this another Discord, and they were like, they're like, this is the best price action we had all week, and it was really range back and forth. I'm like, like the rock that rock meme. He looks like, what do you mean? I was like, hey, that's what I love about trading. Anything could work as long as you're on side with the market. As simple as that.
That's true.
And you scalp that 1 minute. Good for you. I tried it. I'm not the best.
Is that Zaya here? Yeah.
You said that. Who is that? Who is that? Hey, Buggle. You watched The Walking Dead?
I watched like the first season years ago.
I don't watch The Walking Dead up to season 7. Everything else people don't really like, but
I watched
my
Silo.
favorite arc is with Shay.
You see Silo? Watch that, bro.
Uh-uh.
That shit's so good.
SILO.
Yeah, Silo. You gotta watch
Silo
that. It's
shit.
on Apple TV, but it's fire.
Sheriff Becker's plan for the future threat on course after his place meets a hacker with information about the silo.
It's fire, bro. That is a fire show. Ted Lasso's a good show
Pretty
too.
good.
I watched Silo and Ted Lasso with my girl right now. Those are the two shows we're watching.
I think about watching Daredevil. That's why I've been rewatching Walking Dead. It's John Bernthal playing as Shane. And I look back like, bro, this was art right here. This was amazing.
Does this play down off the 15? Just in a range. Problem. I mean, this 1 hour, 4 hours is disgusting profile.
Why did I wake up early for this? I should have just slept till 12.
For real, we should have just avoided this session.
Jones and I were talking about pump fakes in the market. Like, I don't really care about this trade. Trying to pump fake out the market real quick.
I don't even like trading, bro. I never traded. I don't even
Yeah.
trade for real.
I hope my stop loss gets hit
Reverse engineer
so
the
I can get a new
market.
fresh account.
I want to lose
Yeah.
money, bro.
I want to lose money. I like losing.
Oh well, I don't
You
want
watch the
price to
Walking
trend.
Dead every side, both side. I love consolidation, bro. This is where my strategy plays at.
I hope it consolidates every day. On opposite day. Yeah, Chad, this might be GG. This might be GG.
I might take a fat nap.
I don't know what to say. We flipped that completely.
All right. Your connection to the site is not secure. I hate two-step verification. I know two-step verification is like helpful for you. I hate it, bro. I hate having to put in the code and
It's good though for hackers.
it is. It is.
It definitely has its utility.
Really trying to figure out. They talk about like DSN and everything when I search up what's going on with this website, but I don't understand any of that. What else is there? Site settings.
What do you say, chat? Duck race?
I think I'm done for duck race.
His ass.
I have a good keyword if you need one.
What is it?
Texting you right now. Sent it.
Yeah, that's rage, bro. See, you're a rage baiter, bro. Chat, put PDL in the chat. That's the code word. Zay's a rage baiter. That was his idea, not mine. Just throwing that out there by law for when you see this later. Yeah. PDL in the chat. Rage bait, bro. PDL in the chat to enter the gibby.
If the person's still listening, no hate at all, bro. I just
Yeah, no, he's just
I
trolling
don't
you,
mean-
bro.
Yeah, I don't mean anything about that. Makes you feel better. I blew a Evo last night. That was $300 away from passing, so it makes you feel better. Bro, why is everybody having issues with KYC?
Because they be using
What are people-
sketchy KYC, bro. They'll like trade under their like wives or like stuff like that. Like Ayub was saying that. No disrespect to Ayub, but like You guys shouldn't be doing that. You're gonna get payouts tonight.
Yeah. Or you're like their moms. Yeah, if you're under 18, I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
if you guys are
You're kind of
trading under
this
someone
way.
else on your KYC, you're setting yourself up to get payouts denied.
Yeah.
If you don't
I
want to have
remember this
payouts
guy.
rejected, don't give them the chance. Follow the rules. Do the proper KYC. Only trade with firms that you're allowed to trade with, etc., etc.
Is that yeah? Like if you're like for example, I mean they can only think about accounting for countries ban. If your country's ban, look for another firm. If you like, if anybody here needs, because I literally I'm gonna recommend always like the ones that Lucid, Tradeify, Guardian. You know, hold on. Those are all good firms, right? But say if like your country's banned like on any of those, right? Because I know like a lot of these countries are being banned. I'm in Cam's Discord, Zay Trades, and I can like find you a firm that allows you to trade in your country as well.
Exactly.
It's it's best to just stick to the rules, you know. If you're under 18, wait till you're 18. Okay. Don't use your parents' stuff. Did you ever see on the tweet where the guy was like calling out was it what firm was it, Lucid? Like they denied my payout, this and that, and they like put him on blast. It was like, well, yeah, because you used the KYC as somebody else's name and this wasn't yours. And it was like, or like the guy was like, oh, like that's my mom's or my dad's or something. And he's like I used it with this firm and this firm, and you know they didn't say anything. He's like, good point, and he tagged both the firms. Like, hey, just let you know, like this guy right here.
That's funny.
This guy right
His
here.
dad's taking out the fun dude's problem.
Yeah, 100%, bro. He put himself on blast, bro, and that's the funniest thing ever. Nobody asked for that information.
Dan, what's your thoughts on Trade Day? I've never traded with them, so I don't really have an opinion. Zay, have you used Trade Day?
Trade Day. Day traders or day trade day?
Trade Day.
Trade Day. They changed their plans. So they have intraday accounts. I don't like intraday. We talked about that.
Yeah, intraday trading
used
is a
to have-
scam, chat.
It is. I'm not gonna hold you. And then the fast pass. Let me look at that really quick. So at the fast pass, you need a 45% consistency rule, and you need minimum days as well. They used to never have consistency rule in the funded. You could find better accounts, in my opinion. I'll be honest with that.
Yeah.
They must have been getting smoked on getting payouts to add a 45% consistency rule to their account. Think about the amount of people that Lucid have live right now and are getting banked from those people.
Yeah, that's true.
It kind of balances out everything. Like, hey, you keep 10% of that. I keep 10% of that 100K you made, aka 10K. You keep the 90K.
The business model makes sense because they're just making a crap ton off people that don't actually know how to trade, and then the people that do trade, they just copy trade.
Exactly, and that's why I say a
Percent off,
live
basically.
program is so important, in my opinion, for a prop firm. Because I understand why people get put to live. If I owned a business and somebody's milking my business, like, hey, yeah, I'm gonna need you to go live because now I need to make money off of you. You know, I can't always pay you out.
It's just a whole different business model. Like brick and mortar OG prop firms on Wall Street, they're only making, like, they're investing in their traders, and they're giving them a salary, and they're saying, all right, we're gonna like invest in your growth and make you profitable so that we can make money with you. But modern prop firms is entirely different.
It is. Isn't it interesting? I remember I used to look at the two like, is that something I could do? But now it's like prop firms are here. It's like, hey, make money now. All right, so we're back above weekly open.
Y'all ready for duck race? You guys only answer once. If I figure out that you entered on multiple accounts, you are being forfeited from the win, and I'm giving it to someone else. Also, you have to be in the Discord chat. If you're not in the Discord right now, you can't win. Again, those are the two stipulations. You got to be in the Discord. So if you're not in the Discord, your opportunity to join is right now. And if you give yourself multiple entries on different accounts, then you forfeit the win. If Say wins, it'd be hella funny if Say wins while he's on stream. Chat, here's the thing, like, I would not rig it. If I wanted to give this dude an account, I'll just give him an account, you know what I mean? Like, I won't rig it. Like, you gotta win it. I'm already in Discord, alright, cool.
Interesting.
Alright, we got,
Nice.
how many people? 33. Yeah, this is just buying back up. We flipped over the 15. This is just tricky price.
It is.
If it runs hard, it could run up all the way to equal highs.
100%. I wish I could be like, I'm in this long here though, or something, but bro, I can't.
This price is ass, bro. It's hard to get inside
Because
information.
I've been trying to look up like key area, like what price is doing. Like if, for example, this drop off, then it consolidate it. Usually that means it's probably gonna run to a different area. It's like I just don't want to trade that.
Zachy, type PDL in the chat to join. You guys hear Zay's evil laugh? That's what MBA said. Super villain.
Bro, you should hear me while I'm playing Gang Beast, bro. I'm the most like.
We should play that. That'd be fun. I'll download
PlayStation,
it.
right, or Xbox?
Can you? Is it cross compatible or no?
It's not. It's not.
That's great.
I know it's unfortunate because we have like Chris that wants to play too. I'm like, no.
By law said, bro. Yeah, I told you PDL. By law, I'm just saying that was Zay's idea, not mine. So if you're gonna be mad at someone, he was just trolling. He's not actually trolling you, but
Oh, yeah, it's all fun and games, brother.
he's just messing with you. All right, well, I think that's everyone. I'll give you guys 2 more minutes to enter. We'll start the duck race at 11:10. You guys got 2 minutes. PDL in the chat to join. You can only enter on 1 account. If I see that you're entered in on 2 accounts, you forfeit the kivy. You pick someone else.
I got a free Domino's pizza. I just realized that.
It's crazy. Every time you announce giveaway time, we get extra 10 people in the chat. That's how it be, man. People like free stuff.
Those people are other people's accounts.
Don't let me find out y'all are in on multiple accounts or you're not winning the givey. We flipped over the 15. We could go to equal highs now, but it's got to actually move. I have no conviction in anything in this price. Cheapskates, JK, I want free stuff. I was about to say, your ass is taking the account too, bro. So you, you know damn well if you win that shit, you're taking the account.
Didn't he win the first one ever?
I think you did, MMBA. You won the first one, right? I got you an account.
I'll never forget that.
Low-key, I'm praying on anyone's downfall that already won. Not gonna lie. If any of you already won the givvies, I'm praying on your downfall. Chat, we're not going to PDL, bro. That was a joke.
Where is previous day high? It's over there. There's equal highs. It's funny because I had a short yesterday at the equal high, like while I was making the equal high, but I was like, maybe price is just gonna come back up, wick it out, then go. No, it just dropped. I was so upset. I was like, bro, I was like, can we just do something?
Oh, Michael, I thought you were being serious. That's awkward. Alright. It's 11-11. Anshu, if you win again, it's fair. It's fair because it's a Monday. It reset. But like I said, I'm praying on all your downfall if you already won. I want someone new to win. Instead of a duck race, Cam and Zay should fight. Zay would beat my ass, bro. Zay's big as shit.
I would not.
You probably, I mean, you're
I don't
not a
know to fight.
fighter, but like, he's way stronger than me. He's like, how tall are you? 6 foot what?
6'3".
Yeah, he's big in person, chat. Like, he's tall. I want to win. The Guardian is almost past. Yeah, it'd be if you win the Gibby, it's a 50K standard with Blue Guardian. The F is Zay. Zay Gilly. He'd be in the chat. It's a mod. Bradley, what's up, bro? I haven't seen Bradley in a minute. La lit, I got you. I'll put you in the Gibby. Bradley, you want to enter the giveaway? Not Cam. Remember Spider-Man 1 when he fought against a wrestler? Bro, what? Alright,
No, ignore Bradley. Too many people.
yeah, I'm putting Bradley in. Bradley's an OG.
He said ignore Bradley.
I can't ignore Bradley. I'm a man of principle.
More entries equal less chance of me winning. Yo, MMVA, if I win, I'm sending you a screenshot of me blowing the account.
Yo. Rage, mate. Check the list, no duplicates. All 40 entries are unique. It says 41. I say 41 though.
Dude, Michael included himself. He said it's set in stone. Either say MMA or we're going to win.
Yo. Cute video guy must be there with new ID in Discord. Probably. I hope he is so I can ban his ass. That dude tried to gaslight me. He joined on like 6 accounts to win the Gibby. Then tried to gaslight me. He's like, no, his email was the name of the other account. He's like, no, that's not me, bro. I'm like, bro, that's literally the email you just gave me. How are you gonna tell me? His exact YouTube name was his email. He's like, that's not my account. That's someone else.
He's like, that's my roommate.
Oh yeah, and he's like, Partho. Partho Games is my roommate. I kick him from the Discord and his name reverts back to Partho Games.
Really funny.
Bro, I like literally gave him a chance to not be kicked too, but he just can't take accountability.
That was the first time ever I said, like, if anybody like enters multiple times, they should be banned. That was the first time I said it ever, and it was actually the guy that wins entered multiple times. I didn't realize that.
Alright, we're gonna run the duck race, chat. If we can get above 29, 300 with strength. Yeah, then we would run to equal highs.
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
still. I keep flipping it. I'm definitely seeing those equal highs.
Ayub is joining
It's
the
like this
Gibby,
job.
bro. You guys are cooked.
I ain't worried about you.
I don't know. They be giving their ducks some stuff. I don't know what they're using, but you guys gotta get it. Their ducks be cooking. Alright, there's 43 entries. Remove any. Yo, you know what makes me mad is when we have more entries than viewers. How is that possible?
That's actually crazy.
Yeah, no, that's crazy. $42 entries. 40 viewers. That's messed up. You guys are using me for my body. That's crazy. That's
That they're in
insane.
the Discord and that they're here present watching the stream. So like, hey, type in the chat. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So people aren't joining and then leaving. They just put their name, like putting a thing and leaving. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I don't know who it is. Otherwise, I would remove him. Seems ducky. I mean fishy. You know, fun fact, when I was young, in 8th grade, that was my nickname,
Fishy or Ducky?
Ducky. But it was just like one. I don't want to say it. I'm gonna get in trouble, bro. Never mind. I'm gonna get in trouble with the missus if I say this. All right. Moving on. I would love an extra account to go with my 18 funded accounts. Hey, yo. All right, Michael. I'm praying on your downfall. G-Star Law, disgusting behavior. Yeah, it's kind of messed up. Today I must win. Ducky. All right, chat. We're gonna give you. No more delaying. I don't see any duplicates. This price is ass. This is some of the worst markets I've seen.
18 funded.
I know. These are really bad markets.
I'm splashing water towards Michael's ducks so he doesn't win. Get him out. Get him off track.
Sabotage.
Got to do it. You know what Tosh said about me? He said you're not the type of person like he said you're the type of person where you don't care about winning. It's like as long as the person loses with you. I was like, you're not wrong,
that's
bro.
So true.
I could care less about winning, bro. I really just it's like I can't see this person win, bro. You gotta come down with me. Jones is my person on gang piece, bro. 100% he is.
Alright, you ready?
I wish you could play gang piece with us.
I wish I could play it too. I'd love to. My girlfriend would play it too. It'd be fun.
He's so funny.
I only have PC though.
I know it's a can't cross, but unfortunately.
Let's see. Ain't no way I put in all the names and now they're not there. Might crash out. Hold on. Alright, they're still here. Oh, it's because it's like... Oh. I know what to do. It's changing it when they're in full screen. Are y'all ready? Can everyone see this?
Get it. I can see the timer. Yeah, I can see it now. Wait.
Whoever's in there got in earlier. I stopped entry, so anyone saying PDL now, I'm sorry you missed the givey.
There's a lot of ducks.
Yeah, Thenix. I'm sorry. Do we let Thenix in or no? Buggle, Thenix, B2, they all missed it. Do we let them in or no? Chat, what do we think?
How did Buggle miss it?
I kind of feel like being nice guy today.
They saying no. Thenix.
I feel like
Let him
being
suffer.
nice.
Yo, MMBA, bro.
MMBA is on
right
demon
now.
time, bro.
I'm sending you a screenshot. Direct DMs, not even to the group chat, bro. Straight to the DMs. But Seven's such a good guy, bro. I hope he wins.
Mo, you want in? At Buggle, I need Buggle. As long as it's Mo and not Thenix, because you guys have the same. As long as it's Mo and not Thenix, then he can join. But if it's Thenix on Mo's account, then can't. Oh yeah, wrong account. Yeah. I want in, please. Samuel, you gotta put PDL. You guys are like, why are you letting more people in? Sorry.
Samuel, make sure you're in a Discord, by the way, too.
Yeah, if you guys,
cool.
I mean, I'm not even gonna say it again. If they're not in the Discord, they forfeit. We run it again. Because if they don't know that now, then they weren't watching earlier. So
Somebody,
if I win, I'll give it to someone.
Somebody gotta be the villain.
But not MMBA. Bradley, if you win, we can run a race for who you give your account to. Be funny.
Dude, not MMBA, yo. Everybody's after MMBA.
MMBA is a op, bro. Alright, do you guys all see your names? 49 people, we're gonna have like 40 viewers. We have 38 viewers. I hate you guys, man. That's crazy. I don't hate you guys, but that's crazy. How we have 49 entries and 38 viewers?
I'm watching for any double entries, man.
This is fishy. Remember that Hall of Prime? I did not get it because of the issue today. Oh yeah, because your country, you couldn't get the Hall of Prime. Bro, write it on the screen. Keyword in the morning. Yeah, that's sus that there's 49 and there's like 40 people in here. Let me check if there's any duplicates. They should be here like when it's happening. Flawed. Remove any duplicates. There's no duplicates. Alright. Let's go. Remember that? I already read that. Damn, not only is press sus, but so is the chat. Somebody's using double, triple accounts. Change that to hey there, ducky. Names. Alright, we're running it.
Here about
49 entries. 36 people in the chat.
Anybody here watch that new trading patiently video, by the way? Just
Thanks,
saying.
you guys gotta watch that video. I'm actually gonna promote that. Good call. Chat. Yo, my YouTube's gonna be all fantasy football. I'm telling you right now. Literally World Series. Some editing stuff. Chat, go watch this video after the stream. It's a fire video. We're starting to do the long form again. We just posted this yesterday. Go check that out. You're trading ifvg's wrong. The stream shouldn't be lagging. So yeah, chat, go watch the long form after this, alright? After the stream, go watch that video. It's a really good video on inversions, why they work, when they don't, why most people are using them wrong. A lot of people just blindly trade inversions. Alright, duck race time. I don't know how there's 49 people, there's 36 viewers right now. That's messed up. I've watched it and it's amazing, honestly. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Yeah, it's a good video. But hey, if they're not in the stream, they don't win. And you guys already know the other requirement. So, you ready, Niz?
I'm ready. I'm ready to win.
Wait, I gotta get the soundtrack. Two seconds. I'm getting the soundtrack. You see 7 different Michaels named tomorrow. What's it mean? All right. Let's go. Who will it be, chat? MBK in the lead. It's not always a good sign. MMBK. MBK, Manujo. Tech teacher. I don't know who you are, tech teacher. I hope you don't win. Zay Gilly, over there in the front. Look at him, he's right in the front.
Oh.
He's in the front. Oh no, that's not good. What we got? Samuel Green, leading him off. Who is it? MMBA. MMBA, yeah, he's in the front. That's what we want. He's not gonna win. MMBA leading. Vardon ready. B2 go. It's B2 go. B2 go takes the lead.
Who is it? Wait, who is it?
Final 6 seconds. Who's making a run? Who's making a run?
Who is it? Who's that from the back?
La Litjane. Are you in the chat? If you're not in the chat, we run it again. La Litjane, can you please verify you're in the chat? You have 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes to verify you're in the chat. If you're not, we run this again.
Give them a minute.
Give him a minute.
Yeah. They should be in the chat.
Alright, he got 1 minute. He got 1 minute. La Lit Lane, you have 1 minute. La Lit. Wait. La Lit 84945 or La Lit Jane? Bro.
Accounts.
He's out, bro. You're cooked, buddy. You're cooked, buddy.
Bro forgot to switch. Bro forgot to switch.
You're
his
cooked,
account.
buddy. You are cooked.
You forgot to switch accounts. Crazy.
He fumbled the bag. Generational fumble.
100%.
Generational fumble after the rant that I just went on is crazy. All right, we're running it again. If there's anyone in here that has 2 names right now, tell me. I'll remove your second account and you can win fair and square. So if you want me to remove your second account right now, and actually if you win, it's fair. But if you have 2 accounts and you win, it does not count. I'm running again. Bro didn't know account. There's more Lalites. Are there actually? Bro, y'all don't follow rules. That's crazy. La Lich Haste, is that him? You think? You think La Lich Haste is him?
I'll let Chase if you're here, man.
We are all La Lich. Crazy people do that just to win an account. I know, and I tell them not to, and they still do it. Yeah, he is with multiple ID. I'm removing La Lich Haste. This is why there's 50 people in the Gibby and 40 in chat. He conveniently isn't in the chat now because he knows he goofed.
Yeah, and I'm checking as well. If you try to switch his name, checking the creation date of that Discord.
Mr. X Gamer. Claude asked for names similar. He ran away, guys. Calm down. 34 viewers. And there's 46 entries. The math is certainly not mathing. It would be funny if MMBA got second. Rashid Hazed? That other guy was Lalit Hazed. I think this dude entered on like 6 accounts, bro.
Hayes, yeah, Hayes was part of the name. Is Cross not CH Hazed as well, right below it?
Where is it?
Right below, like 2 names down. Cross not CH Hazed.
Yo, the Hazed is sus. You guys are just
guys, if this is your
abusing
account,
the
type
system.
in the chat. Type in the chat if this is your account. Because that's qualification right there. You got to be here to, win. If you're not
Yeah,
here,
you got to be in the chat. You got to be
So if you're not
legit
gonna
with
say
one
anything.
account. I confess my second account is MMBA 7. Just take it. All right. I appreciate the honesty, Bradley.
All right, we're taking on MMA. Pretty nice.
I just want to see what he said. Ban his ass. Skip, bro. Who's Skip, bro? What? $44. 33 in chat. I mean, I'm just running it again. I don't know how there's 44. People are definitely abusing the system.
They are.
If they're not in the Discord for more than 3 days, then they can't win. I kind of like that rule. What do you think we should do to fight the duplicate people?
You can always check the Discord names and everything. Creation date of the Discord.
Chad, do we add
That's
Mr.
not
X
easy, nothing.
Gamer? That's the last person I'm adding. You're welcome. When the account's on a name, save email to every person that win. Just means you'll have the same problem in 3 days' time. Yeah, that's true. Alright. You guys know the rules. Follow the rules. If you win fair and square. If you don't follow the rules, we run it again. Ain't no way, bro. Why does it keep doing that? Bruh. Alright, I guess we're just running it like this. Justice for Thenix. No, Denix didn't enter on the other account though. He just has 2 accounts. He made it clear that he's like Denix didn't try to abuse the system. All right, y'all ready? We're running it back. You guys know the rules. You know the stipulations. If you want to win fair and square, 1 entry. The other thing I'm not saying, X Gamer already added you, brother. All right, we're running it. Who will it be? Zay Gilly. I see you at the bottom. Zay Gilly right at the bottom. Zachy the GOAT in the lead. It's Zachy the GOAT. MBK, Mr. Gamer. Good life. Good life. X Gamer in the lead. Now it's good life. They're fighting for it. B2 GOAT. B2 GOAT. MBKIND.
Phoenix, wait. Click on Phoenix right now. I see him.
His name's unprofitable. Look at his name, bro. Chat, you seen his name, bro?
I just peeked it.
Unprofitable. NGA. 7 seconds. Who will it be? Who is it?
Wait.
Harsh?
Wait.
It's Harsh. It's Harsh. I've seen Harsh in the chat the last few days, so I think you guys are cooked. Harsh, what's your name in the Discord? Harsh, are you here? You got 60 seconds. Yeah, he's here. You guys are cooked. You guys are cooked.
Go again until I win.
Harsh, send a message in the main chat of the Discord right now. You have approximately 60 seconds. You have 60 seconds to send a chat in the main chat. Your timer starts now. My DC's banned? Ooh. Chat. You guys are getting lucky as well. You can skip me?
That sucks.
Damn. You know what that means? Third time's a charm. Third time is a charm. I joined Pakistani group. I don't know what that means. But you're cooked, buddy. Bradley NQ. Bradley NQ. Zachy the GOAT. Zay Gilly up front. Kit Gibbs. It's someone deep in the back that you don't see. Come on, Snow Duck. Snow Duck. Yo.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it. I think 7. I think 7's gonna get this right here.
Who is it? Trade John. Articles for Nutrition. It's a crazy name to win a gimme. Who will it be? Who's in the lead? Is it Zay? You're cooked, buddy. You're cooked, Zay.
I am cooked, bro.
Who is it? No way. There's no way. There's no way it's NBA, bro. There's no way.
No way. No way.
Bro, there's no way. Bro.
Yo.
Nah. Yo, he said that. Michael Williamson called it, bro. Set in stone. Oh my gosh. We might have to ban MNBA, dude. This dude's cleaning up. This dude is cleaning up.
How do you do a pull roll?
I cannot believe he won that. The odds are 0.0063% that he could win that many times. I've only won twice.
I say earlier that was their second account though. I don't think it counts.
I'd rather give it to Lalit. He did win it fair and square. After calling everyone cheapskates. Bro, don't
Imagine you
remember you won that academy thing too? Yeah, you won the academy thing too, bro. You won like 3 times. You skipped me? I thought you were in there by law. You're literally in there, brother. You're literally in there.
Let's give it up for MMBA as well, because like not only did he win, I gotta give respects. He's #1 in the chat, by the way. Like you guys.
No, yeah. Low key, like MMBA is the realest one in the chat. That's true. In all seriousness, like I'm trolling, but I agree. He deserves it. He's a real one. Yeah, send a message in main
Like,
chat MMBA. We're messing with you. Obviously, we want other people to win, but you deserve it too, man. You be showing a lot of love.
I'm not messing with you. I want you to lose. Now I'm joking.
Yeah, he a loyal follower, a loyal viewer, so he deserves it. Shout out MMBA, man. W for him. But if you win next time, we got to put you on like a cooldown because we need some other people to win.
Hear that, MMA? Basically, he's saying you gotta be nerfed. 'Cause
He does need to be nerfed. Yeah, straight up. You gotta get nerfed. You're winning too much. We're about to move you to
So
live.
that's all right with me.
We're moving you to live. You're taking too many payouts.
Wait,
It's so funny
just
that he
give it
won.
to me, bro. Others doing 9 and 12 accounts. It's funny.
Lala, you entered on like 5 accounts, bro. We're going to ban him until next month. Going to live. I'm still waiting for my prize. How did you not get your account, Collins? Literally every other person has gotten their account. I don't understand. Every other person that's want to give you besides you has gotten the account, so there's got to be an issue. The stream is laggy for me today. That's got to be your internet because I don't think anyone else is.
I say, yeah, I don't. Good.
These markets are dog water, man, every day. It's not getting better.
100%.
I'm probably going to call it here. I'm not really interested in anything now.
I might take a nap, to be honest. I just take a fat nap.
I'm going to make another coffee and then get more work done. I got to start going to the gym. I still haven't got that gym membership. I was about to get it. I got to go to the gym out here. There's a gym like 5 minutes away from my house.
Thanks. How much is the membership?
It's only like $15.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's a nice
beautiful right
gym.
there.
It's cheap too. Well, alright, chat. We'll be live again tomorrow. Price has just been on a terrible run. Look at the last 3 daily. You know, look at the last 4 dailies. You know what I mean? 1, 2,
Yo,
3, 4.
I'm
Every single
gonna-
day's range.
I'm gonna send you a picture, bro. I lied to you not. I don't even know when I typed this. Look what came up for the rest of my the rest of the search bar. Bro, you can't tell me God don't be speaking sometimes, bro. Cause I don't. My eyes starting to water a little bit, bro. Cause I don't know. I wasn't searching this up either. Like I was using this tab to search up the thing for like the internet issues I was having, and look what came up.
You texted me or what?
I sent you a picture, yeah, through text. That's actually crazy, bro. Actually crazy.
That's fire. Yeah, that's fire. What's the verse of the day? Let me check.
That's the
My
verse
phone's
of
on
the day
one.
right there.
My phone's on 1.
That's crazy.
Verse of the day, chat. Jesus replied, "Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind." Matthew 22:37.
Amen.
I'll leave you guys with that. We'll be live again tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Shout out MNBA, man. Congrats. I'll get you situated in the Discord. Y'all have a good one, man. Markets will get better. Markets will improve. It's been slow, but yeah, have a good one. We will be live tomorrow. DM me on
DM me
Grindr.
on
Alright,
Grindr.
you're not getting your account. Any stream.